Hi, are you tired of the same old foods day after day? Well, I know I get that way. So listen up, because I have something that's going to rev up your taste buds. It's called Tastebuds subscriptions. Each month, you'll get 3 new seasonings or rubs to try out, along with 3 recipe cards to try. And there's other advantages, because when they have a new seasoning come out, you might get to try it before it's out for the public. How cool is that? Also, they have a Tastebuds hub, so you have 4 tablespoons of seasoning in there. It's more than enough for one meal. It's up to 2 to 4 meals, so you can try other recipes to rev up your meal plan for the month. And you get add-ons. The add-ons are cool products like other seasonings or bread mixes. And as a bonus, it's all free shipping. So click on my subscribe button, click on the bell, so you can get notified when my next video comes out of something else. Thanks for watching.